This is the no-nonsense guide to Modus Ponens. Let's go! Modus Ponens is a valid inference rule that looks like this. If P, then Q. P, therefore Q. The model shows a pattern, a form. If the front thing, then the back thing. The front thing, therefore the back thing. An if-then statement is called a conditional. The if part is the antecedent. The then part is the consequent. Modus Ponens says when a conditional is true and the antecedent is also true, you can infer the consequent. If Nate went, then Tamara went. Nate went. So, Tamara went. Using symbols, if box, then circle. Box, therefore, circle. The box and circle example shows that P and Q can stand for anything. For example, if both Justin and Kate won't go, then Alex will go, but Zoe won't. Justin and Kate won't go. Therefore, Alex will go, but Zoe won't. It looks messy, but the pattern is simple. Here's how it looks in symbolic logic, a natural deduction proof. If not J and not K, then A and not Z. Not J and not K. So we infer A and not Z, using Modus Ponens, lines 1 and 2. See the structure? If the front, then the back. The front, therefore the back. Modus Ponens moves left to right. If I'm at Starbucks, then I smell coffee. I'm at Starbucks, so I smell coffee. But not in reverse. If I'm at Starbucks, then I smell coffee. I smell coffee. So I'm at Starbucks? Nope, I'm at my kitchen table, sipping coffee. This is the fallacy of affirming the consequent. Avoid it. Modus Ponens is a valid deductive form that uses a conditional, an if-then statement with antecedent and consequent. Arguments can be much more complex and still count as Modus Ponens as long as they have the same structure. To avoid error, remember, Modus Ponens is directional. It always moves from the antecedent to the consequent, never backward. Found this useful? Hit like, subscribe, and keep learning in the No Nonsense playlist.